Hey there everyone. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We've hired a personal chef to come in and they're going to do a dinner here in our home for Candy, myself, and about 5 other guests that we've invited over. So it should be pretty interesting. I don't know if you've ever had this type of experience before, but it can be quite amazing watching a real chef do his job and perform his art here in your own home. So we'll pick it back up when as the guests start arriving and the chef gets here. We'll introduce everybody and we'll see how the afternoon goes. All right, we'll talk to you later, guys. Bye. All right, Chef Roberto just showed up. He's getting ready to start doing his thing. Roberto is from Argentina, correct?
No, Costa Rica.
Costa Rican. Oh, I'm sorry, I thought you were Argentinian. He's Costa Rican, and he's going to perform a little magic here for us tonight. So we'll keep going here in a little while, but let him do his thing for right now. So what are we preparing here, Roberto?
The vegetables.
The vegetables?
Yeah, for the guarnition of the snapper.
Oh, that looks good. Nice and fresh.
Some mini biggies.
That look good, Candy?
Yes, they do.
Alright.
The other is for the puree of the sweet potato.
Sweet potatoes?
These are sweet potatoes right here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And
They look different
sweet
than the
potatoes
ones
are
we
purple.
have.
The ones we get up where we're from are orange. See?
Yeah. It's one variant. Well, I don't know what is the word.
Smelling good in here, Roberto. What you doing now?
The sweet potato puree.
The sweet potato puree?
Yeah. And the one is right now start for the snapper. I need very hot.
Okay.
And the marlin is cooking the fish.
Okay.
And I need to cook the other ingredients for the add. It's
Coming along fine. All right. Great. The guests should be here shortly. Well, hopefully they'll be here shortly. I hope that we didn't get stood up. Nah, just kidding. They'll be here. Oh, looks like the guests have arrived.
Oh my God!
Come on in, guys. Let me show you around.
It's absolutely
This is
amazing.
So nice inside.
This is
Beautiful.
Phil, say hello to everybody across the world.
Okay.
Everybody.
Everybody.
All of them.
All of them.
So,
Right.
should I like do my hair?
You
got
or
it?
something?
Just a little bit to
I've
the
got a
side
bit of
there.
mascara
Brian here. Ben over
Very
here.
metrosexual.
Mike's hiding here. And this is Caitlin here. Come on in, guys. We'll show you around.
Okay. Are we going to the bathroom on video?
It's yeah. Oh yeah. We do it all on video.
Okay. I want to go to the bathroom.
Fine. Bathroom straight ahead.
Thank you. Wow, what a cool place. Hey guys.
This is Chef Roberto, and he's hard at work preparing our meal.
Sorry we're a bit late.
Oh, you're
God,
okay.
the traffic was just
Bathroom
terrible.
straight ahead. The lights on the left-hand side on the wall.
This place is fantastic.
Right here.
Never exercise while we sleeping.
You landed on your feet, mate.
Yeah, we like it. All right, we got Caitlin making the margaritas. What you doing, Caitlin? What you
Candy
making?
wants the blended margs.
And
So we're gonna make her some blended margaritas.
any flavor? What are we putting in?
Ooh, I made a simple syrup with some fresh star fruit.
Ooh, excellent,
tree, yeah.
excellent. And she's got Candy made some
Lemonade
juice,
or-
lemon limeade. Oh, it's really, really good. So,
Do you want a little drink yet? Right now, lemonade?
Yeah, let me try a little.
Can I use your
That'd be really
bathroom?
nice.
their light is on the left, where the wall there. So, we will let the masters get back to work. You need some more foil? You good?
It's good.
There's another box on the shelf here if you need it.
That's good.
Ooh, looks so good.
Isn't it? She did pretty good.
She killed it.
So this is a dinner party at our place, or what we call a dinner party. And
Emmett, is this gonna?
you can just turn the top one on if you want, Brian. The knob right up.
It's biting his ankles.
Mosquitoes are like eating me alive.
Really?
Yeah.
Here,
Well, I'll turn on the top one.
over here. Yeah. Turn this on 3. It'll be a windstorm.
Yeah.
There.
It's my ankles. It's an old cheerleading thing. Okay, that'll work. All right.
You think?
That
Will
should.
that blow him away? Do you think? Well, we'll see in a second.
But
It doesn't.
It works awesome.
Yeah, but the thing
I'll
is,
bring,
it
I'll-
won't. It wouldn't.
I got an extension cord.
Oh, you do?
I can drop
Oh.
an extension cord down.
Let me get rid of that shit.
So, how are the mosquitoes now, Mike?
I'll let you know in a few minutes.
All right,
But I-
you've got 2.5 minutes, buddy, and then after that, show's over.
Yeah, I'm gonna be blended
But
up.
it doesn't have,
All right, let's check in on Chef Roberto again. He's doing great, by the way. Yep, very good. Is this the fish getting ready to go in or something?
Excuse me?
Is it the fish? The
Yeah.
snapper?
Yep.
Okay.
It's the papillote.
It's from one of the fish packages. Is that dill? Dill?
Ronaldo? I don't know where is the deal.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that looks good. Looking good. Looking good. All right, let's go back out and that's Phil. You should go check out the snapper, man.
Oh,
He's packaging it up for the oven, man. Oh man.
Don't
What?
stick your dick in his earring.
Hey.
Like say, I think there's a
Actually-
Glen Morangi in there.
No, I think that.
An 18-year-old malt.
No, that's Gwyneth Paltrow's.
Oh,
But it should be red. It's like, you know that,
Have you heard this song?
Yes. Mike was a DJ for 20 years. His own
right?
business.
30 years I did DJing.
His own business.
Were you DJ Mike Lightning?
He has an amazing voice.
Hey guys, check it out.
I'll give you more money.
Behind you.
Oh,
Serving.
Wow. I feel like I need to straighten up.
Can I see
You do.
this?
muchísimas gracias. ¿Quería un poco de ayuda, usted?
And this is
Marlin ceviche with mango,
Marlin ceviche with mango.
Yep.
Thanks, sir.
Cassava chips.
You want to compare
Cassava
Oh.
chips.
Yucca chips.
Thanks for the reason for it. You want to compare the hedge?
Anybody taste it yet?
That's good.
Randy said, I'm digging in.
You want to compare the hedge?
Take a flashlight.
Do I need to take my teeth out?
So,
With the sheep.
Whether men or
appetizer's gone. Marlin ceviche, and I think everybody enjoyed it.
Gorgeous.
Appetizer one
Oh
gone.
my god, amazing.
I thought there'd be a light difference.
And it's-
There's no light.
That's right. Let there be light. Ask and you shall receive.
Dude, they didn't know I was here before you turned that on.
Stop it.
There's an empty
Stop
trap.
it.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
All right, round one.
That was really gorgeous.
Marlin ceviche.
Honey, money, money, honey.
Right or wrong?
I think it's clearly right.
Yeah, but you didn't actually answer my question.
What?
Because you always keep coming in on. There were the four of you who. There was some point well before that.
Where you went, I'm going to do that.
No, we thought we'd get jobs.
No,
We did get
forget
jobs.
the we. You, just you.
Boom. There's the red snapper. Does this look great?
It's amazing.
Smells great, you guys.
Main course, guys. Main course. Let's open this up.
Holy shit.
Thank you.
Mine's on the diamond.
There's like sides too.
Really?
Thank you for.
Wow.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you.
Yes, ¿qué pasa?
I gotta be honest, I feel a little uncomfortable.
What?
Because people
It's
are
a
like
little
serving
kinda
us,
posh.
and I'm feeling like,
a
oh my
little too
god,
posh.
like, yeah.
Oh,
Just
come
not
on,
used to
guys.
it. I'm just not used to it. I'm usually the one doing the serving.
This is true.
Yeah.
Potato mash.
It's a mashed sweet potato puree and roasted vegetables.
Yeah, cute.
God, it's fucking gorgeous. Fresh flowers in there.
Are we all set?
No,
No, I think we're missing this.
this is potato.
Missing some fish. Here they come.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, that's okay though. I can wait.
Oh, that stuff's good.
It all looks really good.
The stuff on the bottom there.
The potato
Yeah, that's the
mash is
the
insanely good.
the potato puree, sweet potato puree.
Wow. Holy moly.
Is that regular potato or sweet potato?
Sweet potato, purple, the
I
purple
got
skin,
regular potato.
the
I thought I
purple
hated
skin.
sweet potatoes.
Oh,
Yeah, the purple skin sweet potatoes.
Oh, I'm gonna fucking taste
So
it.
you can eat it?
What is
You can eat it?
so badly.
so this on the side here
Lasagna, did you say?
is the blue butterfly pea flour, and it's supposedly the most anti-carcinogenic thing you can possibly eat.
Really?
Yeah,
Which things up?
This
I need
flour here.
all of it. Give it right.
Good.
Right there. You got one.
yeah.
Yeah, give me all of them. I need them.
Mmm.
Whatever this is
Are you
is
serious?
good.